Hey everyone, Erica here from Rick's Review Hub. Tired of power outages or running out of juice on camping trips? The Jackery Solar Generator Kit 4000 is your answer for reliable, portable power. With a massive 4,085 watt-hour capacity and 3,000 watt output, it's perfect for RV camping, home backup, or emergencies. Want to grab it? Click the referral link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the features. The Jackery Solar Generator Kit 4000 includes the Explorer 2000 Plus, a Pack Plus E 2000 Plus expandable battery, and two 200-watt Solar Saga solar panels. It delivers 4,085 watt-hours, powering heavy appliances like fridges, air conditioners, or RV systems up to 3,000 watts. You can expand it with up to 5 extra battery packs, reaching 24 kilowatt-hours for serious power needs. It has 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-C ports with 100-watt fast charging, and a car port. The LiFePO 4 battery lasts 10 years with 4,000 cycles and runs quietly at 30 decibels. Charge it in 1.3 hours via a wall outlet or 1.6 hours with 6 200-watt solar panels. The Jackery app lets you monitor battery levels and customize settings via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Safety features include advanced lithium tech, a cooling system for 30% better heat dissipation, and protections against shock and fire. The kit includes an AC charging cable, car charging cable, 2 solar panels with connectors, and manuals. It's built for portability at 61.5 pounds with a 5-year warranty. Now the pros. This thing is a beast. The 4,085 watt-hour capacity powers big appliances for hours. Think running a fridge during an outage or an RV air conditioner. Fast charging is a game changer. 1.3 hours from a wall outlet or 1.6 hours with solar is super efficient. The app is user-friendly and the quiet operation won't disturb anyone. It's safe, durable, and expandable, making it perfect for home or outdoor use. For cons, it's heavy at 61.5 pounds, so moving it can be tough for some. The $2,000 price tag is steep for casual users, and extra battery packs add cost. Solar charging needs strong sunlight for peak performance, and you'll need space to store the panels. Should you buy the Jackery Solar Generator Kit 4000? If you need reliable power for camping, RV trips, or emergency backup, absolutely. It's ideal for adventurers, homeowners, or anyone wanting eco-friendly, long-lasting power. Just be ready to handle the weight and investment. Hit that subscribe button for more reviews and click the referral link in the description to get the Jackery Solar Generator Kit 4000 at the best price from Rick's Review Hub. Special promotional pricing awaits. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, please like, share, or subscribe. See you next time.